This is the new Bailey Phoenix 760. It sleeps 6, it has gargantuan kitchen storage and a layout that gives the kids their own room. Bailey's Pursuit range was generally perceived as sitting in the entry-level bracket, light in weight, a little bit basic, and at an affordable price level. Pursuit's successor, the Phoenix range, though, is anything but basic. In many ways, it's akin to its top-spec Unicorn cousin, the same high arching front window, very similar body lines, and furnishings that are definitely up there among the best. Yet prices will be competing in the same arena as the range it replaces. Rather than entry level, Bailey subtly aligns Phoenix as first choice. The 760 provides a really interesting comparison between Unicorn and Phoenix. That's because the 760 is the same layout as the Unicorn Segovia, which won Caravan magazine's Caravan of the Year title for 2018. The Segovia scored many of its high marks for its cleverly designed layout, with the kids' own room, a lovely space for sleeping, eating and of course playing, divided from the kitchen and lounge by 2 doors. Now, the Phoenix 760 offers the same layout for several £1,000s less. The efficiency of a kitchen in a 6-berth tourer is of course crucial to family holiday harmony. The 760 excels in terms of storage here with loads of cabinets. It has a large fridge freezer and a full-sized oven and grill, which is the same as those in Unicorns. The more we examine this family Phoenix, the more we are impressed. It has Unicorn DNA running right through it. In fact, apart from the bold purple graphics, the 760 could, at a glance, be mistaken for a Unicorn Segovia, and that's praise indeed. There are 7 models in the Phoenix range. There's a 2-berth, 4 4-berths with fixed beds, a 5-berth, and a twin-axle 6-berth. All of the single-axle Phoenix models have MTPLM figures of less than 1,500 kilos. This is the 644 with an island bed and a rear shower room. It's the on-trend layout that appears in every manufacturer's range. And this one is among the lightest, with an MTPLM figure of just 1,374 kilos.